Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Semrush projects and keyword lists, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Semrush account. Navigate to the projects section from the main dashboard. Select the project you want to back up. Click on the project settings icon, typically shaped like a gear. Scroll down to the export section. Choose the type of data you wish to export, such as keyword lists or site audit results. Click on the Export button adjacent to the data type. Select your preferred file format, commonly CSV or Excel. The file will begin downloading automatically. For keyword lists, go back to the main project dashboard. Locate the Keyword Overview tool within your project. Export the keyword list by clicking on the Export icon. Select your desired file format for the keyword list. Again, the file will begin to download. Next, save these files in a dedicated backup folder on your device. Consider organizing your backups by project name and date for easy access. To ensure ongoing backups, repeat this process regularly after significant updates. Make use of cloud storage options for additional safety and accessibility. Review your backups periodically to verify their integrity. This completes the backup process for your Semrush projects and keyword lists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.